Today I am back with a brand new and super exciting video. I know I always say that at the beginning of my videos because they are super exciting for me, so I hope they are just as exciting for you guys as well. And today's video is going to be an unboxing, which you can see right next to me. I've wanted this forever. Actually, it's funny, when I was in Paris 2 years ago, that's what I meant to buy, but I ended up buying the Chanel mules, which were not my style at all. I don't even know why I even bought them, to be quite honest, because those are the ones that I wanted. But here we are, like 2 years later, getting them. I used to have the knockoffs, like I have like a couple of them, and I wore them to death. And now coming here to Mexico City, and I'm trying to find like the perfect shoe to kind of like wear during the day, to kind of like casual up my outfit a little bit, and something that I can wear kind of like all day that is super chic and comfortable at the same time, something that is neutral. I do love my Manolos, but I do feel like they kind of have like the little dressy vibe to them, which I don't mind, but I wanted something that was more kind of like casual chic, which is what these give to me. And if you've read the title, you probably already know what they are, but nonetheless, I'm still going to unbox them for you guys. I am wearing this short dress from H&M that I got a few weeks ago. It's probably one of my best buys from H&M this summer. I absolutely love it. There's something about this kind of like cotton material to just make it look so dressy. I also do have one in a linen material. It's a lot kind of like casual. This one I feel like I can go out and shop and do everything, which I can do with the other one, but the other one has more of a kind of like vacation vibes, as this one has like a city vibe. And my necklace, this pearl choker, I got it from Etsy. I will leave a link below for you guys if you want to check it out. And my personalized letter necklace is from Avo. I do have a code for you. It's Rose. If you want to take 15% off, this is real gold and you don't ever have to take it off. You could literally do everything you want with it. And this pearl one, it's from Monica Venator, which I would have a 20% code for you guys if you want to check it down below. And on my lip, I have Bite Beauty, which is Chai. It's been my favorite lipstick this summer. They reached out to me and they sent me this lipstick, and honestly, I've just been obsessed with it. I just love that it stays on all day. I can eat with it. Like, it serves the same purpose as a liquid lipstick without the annoying thing having to remove it, which is why I stopped wearing liquid lipsticks, to be quite honest, because it is such a pain to remove them at nighttime, and I just do not want to deal with it. This, not only it's long lasting, but when it comes to take it off at night, it's just super easy. With your cleanser, it's just like so easy to take it off. With this, I have my Louis V belt, which I will link below. I believe this is like a size 75, but I am a size 70, so I had to have them add like 2 more holes in there for me. You can get that done at the Louis V store. It's like an extra $6 to have the holes added to them. And it was like super quick and easy. Now let's get into this unboxing. And don't you guys worry sometimes when they go in the back to kind of like wrap your box, and then you're like, did they even put the item in there? Like, I want to check if they did. But yeah, I'll leave the price below, or I'll tell you the price on the screen, how much it costs in the US and here and so on. As you can see, it's beautifully wrapped, just like so. But do you want to see? I typically never undo them. I usually just kind of like slip it to the side. And also, it comes with 2 dust bags, obviously, because you don't want them rubbing against each other. Ta-da! Oh my goodness! Aren't they beautiful? So I am going to read the description. I mean, you guys already know. So they are the SLINGBACKS from Chanel. They are the goat skin, a rose green, beige, and black SLINGBACKS. And I am a size 36, which you can see right over here. And aren't they the most beautiful thing? It's so funny. I went to buy these so many times, and every time I try them, the sales associate will tell me, these are like too old lady for you, do not buy them. I don't know why, because I think they're like the chicest thing ever. Like, what are you talking about? and then they have the gold CC on the side over here. So we went to the El Palacio, the Hierro Mall today, which has all the luxury stores here in Polanco in Mexico City. And so I went in and I asked the lady, I think her name was Cynthia, for those. She said they had the flat version, which she brought out, and I'm just like, I don't want the flat version, I want these. And she said they didn't have them, so I left. I gave her my information and she said she'll text me when they come in. And then I guess because she had told me she didn't have them by not even checking the back, so so I went back into the mall. I mean, we went back into the mall to just kind of like walk around and everything. And then next thing you know, I got a WhatsApp chat saying that I've got good news, they are here. And then I'm like, should I come back? And she said yes. So I went back and got them. But aren't they the most beautiful thing? Again, for the past couple of days I've had trouble finding the perfect shoe because I don't really have like any sandals that I can wear, and I feel like over here it looks a little weird even having your, like, I don't know, open toe sandals because nobody wears them. Everyone is always in like either some flats or some closed toe shoes, and because it's not really that hot for kind of like open toe shoes, I feel kind of like weird, kind of like wearing these kind of like around to do things and shop all the time. And like I said, I do love my Manolos, but they're not like a pair that I can wear with like everything, and I felt like these would be the perfect pair that I could wear on a daily basis with literally all my outfits, which is most likely going to be beige anyways. But so this is the beige and black with the cap toe over here. As you can see, guys, they're like so dreamy. I know they're not for everyone. I don't know, some people find them to be too granny, but you guys know I love granny shoes. There's nothing more than I love than a granny shoe. Absolutely love them. And I think the 6 kind of like fits me perfectly. It was probably just like slightly loose. But yeah, these are just stunning. So these retails in the States for $9.25. Like I said, I wish I had bought them in Paris when I bought the mules, because those Chanel mules are not me. They're like too edgy for me. They're more like if you that kind of like cool girl that wear a t-shirt and denim all the time. I think they're like perfect, but that's not really my style. So that was my mistake for buying those. I should have bought these instead, which I could have paid like $700 for them. But it is what it is. It's okay. It's okay. Like I said, they retail for $9.25, you know, in the States, and with taxes and everything, you're probably going to end up paying like around $1,100 for them. And here, and here go the cost. $21,295, which equals to like 1,050 something, which is, I mean, which is a lot for a pair of shoes, I know. But I know I'm gonna get so many wear out of these. Like I said, I don't really have like that perfect pair of shoes to wear these with all my chic outfits, and these I think are like the perfect pair that I can wear to dinner, like on a daily basis, to just kind of like walk around, especially since like here I take Uber everywhere anyways, so it's not like, I mean, I will be walking in those, but it's not like I'm just gonna be like, you know, like walking around all the time and things like that. But yeah, these are the shoes. I will try to link them below if I can find them. I see here they're on the website, but you just have to like contact an advisor and give them your size, and then they will tell you in which store to locate them. I cannot tell you if they have more. I don't know if you guys are in Mexico City or wherever you are, but that's how it is in the state, because Chanel doesn't sell clothes or those items online. They only sell the beauty stuff. Yeah, Chanel need to start selling stuff online, to be quite honest. It is super annoying, but hey, it is what it is. Like I said, guys, slingbacks, they're like my favorite type of shoe, and especially for like fall time, because I know everyone's trying to like hurry and wear like boots. I am the type of person, I wait to wear boots up until like in the thick of winter, because winter is long. Like, why waste your fall in boots when you can be wearing kind of like your mules and your... Okay guys, this may interest some of you, so I am reading for you like a history, the story behind the legendary two-tone shoe. As one of the ultimate fashion investment. I do, like I said, if your style is chic, even if it's not, I feel like I see so many cool girls style these so well. And again, I'm probably late to the party, but then again, that's what I like to do with like most of the kind of like hot items. I kind of like to wait until after, when nobody kind of like almost wears them anymore, so I can wear them. The first two-tone shoe, now a signature of Chanel House, appeared in 1957. After designing timeless little black dresses, tweed tailoring, and quilted bags, Gabrielle Chanel completed her wardrobe essentials with this versatile and well-designed shoes to wear morning to night. And honestly, I am going to film like a wardrobe shoe essential, and this one will be featured in there because I think this is the ultimate, like I said, if your style is super chic, this is a shoe that you absolutely need in your wardrobe. It is essential. What I love about this shoe, you can literally wear it all year long. It does not matter the season. Maybe a little bit less in the summertime, but if you live somewhere where summer it's not that crazy, or even if you live somewhere, I feel like New York City would be perfect for this on the nighttime when it's not like so crazy hot. If you want the mule version, you can absolutely... I sold my mule version just before I came here, and I knew I wanted this, but I wasn't sure because where I had planned on moving before, it was just so hot all the time, so I wasn't sure if this shoe would be like essential in my wardrobe for like a super high climate all the time. But now, since being here in Mexico City, these are just like the ultimate shoe. I think this is the ultimate shoe to have over here because they are just so chic. Alright guys, this has been my unboxing of these beautiful shoes. This is my ultimate shoe. This is the one that I wanted, and I don't even know why I even got the mules, but lesson learned, ladies. Like, whatever you like, just like buy it instead of kind of like going for the trendy stuff. And then it just comes with like the care packaging and things like that that's inside it, and that is about it. But this has been my unboxing. Let me know if you guys have these shoes and if you like them, or if you don't have them, if they have been on your wish list and so on, or I don't know, if perhaps now you're thinking about them. But like I said, I absolutely love them. I've had a few pairs of the knockoffs and I wore them to death. I remember going to work all the time. That's all I wore, like with literally every outfit. And these aren't going to be like any exception. It's just going to be just the same. I will be wearing them all the time, kind of like the same way, because these shoes are just so chic. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.